Carhartt Crossbody Wallet. Tough, water-resistant, and packed with pockets for life on the move. Built tough for your everyday adventures. The Carhartt Nylon Duck water-resistant wallet with crossbody strap is no ordinary wallet. Crafted from rugged 500 Denier CORDURA nylon with rain defender water-repellent technology, it stands up to life's unpredictable moments. Whether you're braving a drizzle or organizing essentials for a busy day, this wallet is your dependable sidekick. Its durable construction ensures it resists wear and tear, making it perfect for everyday use. With this wallet, you're not just carrying your belongings, you're carrying confidence. Maximum storage, minimal bulk. Who says compact can't be mighty? This crossbody wallet is loaded with smart storage options, featuring 2 front exterior pockets, a zippered back pocket, and 8 inner card slots. It also includes a mesh ID window pocket and an elastic key keeper with a swivel clip. Need to stash your phone? No problem, it fits all phone sizes, including larger models. The design strikes the perfect balance between functionality and portability, ensuring you're always organized without being weighed down. Water repellent and weather ready. Rainy day? No worries. Thanks to its water-resistant interior structure and rain defender finish, this wallet shrugs off light rain and moisture, keeping your valuables safe and dry. Unlike ordinary wallets that falter in damp conditions, the Carhartt Nylon Duck Crossbody wallet holds its shape and keeps your essentials protected. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or running errands in unpredictable weather, this wallet has got you covered, literally. Stylish functionality with iconic details. Practicality meets timeless style in this Carhartt creation. The adjustable crossbody strap offers hands-free convenience, while antique brass hardware and a signature logo patch add a touch of classic Carhartt charm. Designed with a double zipper opening, this wallet makes accessing your essentials a breeze. Its thoughtful design and high-quality details elevate it above ordinary wallets, blending rugged performance with everyday elegance. An investment that pays off. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Carhartt Nylon Duck wallet is built to last, offering unmatched durability and functionality at an affordable price. Customers love its thoughtful design, ample storage, and ability to handle everything from workdays to weekend adventures. It saves you time with easy organization and gives you peace of mind with its robust build. When you choose Carhartt, you're choosing a product that works as hard as you do, and looks great doing it.